Who's the master? Wow! Who's the master? Show up! An idiot.
Get loose. Loose. Get loose. Okay. Yeah. I thought you could never get loose. I thought you could never get loose. I thought you could never get loose. Get loose. Get loose. I thought you could never get loose. I thought you could never get loose. What? I thought you could never get loose. Get loose. Get loose. Say swag out. Say swag out. Say swag out. Get loose. Get loose like a dream Grey Goose. Now knock out the park, Beirut. Got Arrow fit brand new. Yes, sir. Sitting that on my kids brand new. New ice on my wrist, nothing new. You knew it. Now watch how I rock, now shoot. I'm dipping around with the crew. I'm popping it down on shoot. Oh shoot. Oh shoot. I swear I'ma raise that roof. That roof. My ex-girl mad shit goof. Stop jocking my swag, do you? I'm all in my bag, new coupe. You know how I do. I thought you could never get loose. I thought you could never get loose. I thought you could never get loose. Get loose. Get loose. I thought you could never get loose. I thought you could never get loose.
Is that good pay? Good pitch. Good pitch. Oh, he gone. Bird game score.
I'm a real life dog, Scooby Doo. She gon' blow on my dick like a flute. She got a long ass neck like a goose. Long neck, Fruit Loop. Like gun, all my boys get slimy. Get loose, perfect timing. Get loose, get loose. Don't play or it might get violent. Like gun, all my boys get slimy. Get loose, perfect timing. Get loose, get loose, get loose.
Interception. Barbecue chicken. Here we go. Corey. Good shot.
Hey,
Talk to me.
DBU.
Dope till the sun come down. Take a fuck nigga right off the map. When I hit him with this whole 100 round. Young jock in the club with my Glock. You wanna play it, then this bitch going down. We ain't hesitating, bullies get the blazing. I'ma lay him down like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down. Walk down on them in Balenciaga runners. My blood sliming nigga out just like an anaconda. You go against me, then you fuck just like a used condom. I roll them up and then I smoke them like some good guns.
Now Pierce scrambles, looks over the middle.
Tape up on the scene, I had the white talk. Running from my gun.
Did he get in? Did Webb get in? Yes, he did. Yeah. Great body control. He's rolling, doing it perfect. I love it. I'd like to see it again here up there to the left of the southpaw. Third to Corey Webb. Uses his hips, rapid body control, and now rolls, and that's a touchdown. 20-0. Bulldogs lead, extra point pending. We're going to try it.
Oh no!
Why you throw back across your body? Why you throw back across your body?
I was posted on the corner where the J's at. Roll up in the 4x4, pull up at the corner. And I got red in my drink when I poured soda. I remember praying that the feds never take the Motorola. Chopper got the chopper, make him do a backflip. Pay my dog a down and walk him down, he need the racks, bitch. I've been drinking, I've been taking all this codeine to the face.
Motion, there he gets Webb. To the one, did he stay in? They're going to call it a touchdown. Wow, that was really close. Really close. I don't get here it is. Here's Fresh on the fake handoff. He wasn't covered. You see him go in with a dip. He is in, clearly in. That is a touchdown at 12-0. 1 point, extra point pending here.
Like he in a lounge. Walk him down, 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 walk him down.
Looks, has time. Gets to. Inside the 20 because a lot of players will converge on you when in tighter areas. That's an awesome dip by Webb. My team Franklin calls it, hands it off to Corey Webb, throws it over the middle. Great play to Greg Meek for the touchdown. I love it, Greg. I love it, Jeff. Meek, who didn't last season. Are you a Giant fan, by the way?
I am.
That's why you've forgotten about it. It's very clear to me.
Well, it was actually incomplete. It was the last play of the game.
And they will go for a 1-point conversion, Jeff. We have 1, 2, and 3-point conversions here in the AFFL.
When they swing that way to the right, you swing to the left, you heard? Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. Don't get it fitted. So I'm the ball in the beat. Fucking your hoe in the key.
And there is a score.
Like it, I spin it. I just came right out the jewelry, the ice on my neck and my wrist and my fist. I ain't finished. I was just working at Denny's. Came back and counted some millions. I ain't no regular civilian. Red, yellow, green. Look like my neck a chameleon. Okay, spin it. Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. I hate this bitch, he offended. I'm a Da Vinci offended. Then let me finish. I cracked that Chevy for 40. My scammer busting bottles off the OA. I cannot cuss you fucking on my bros. I'm just gonna fucking treat it like a throwaway. Ooh, damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. I'm at the mall out of business. I need a swipe in the digit. Calling up Kales. He did 250 on Biddy. It ain't no biggie. Mom could kick it. Fuck that little bit made a video. She wanna leak it. She wanna send it. Ayy, fuck that bitch. My face wasn't in it. Damn, bitch do scams all beat it. Bands in my hand look pretty. Hit another band on the gram, I'm litty. When I was broke, man, she fronted. But then I got rich and I hit it. Homie, I don't dance, I jiggy. Weed is so strong, I feel like I'm Popeye off the spinach. I cut the corner and bend it. Bitch, I'm a menace like Dennis. Don't sell me pussy, I need a percentage. If you gon' fuck me, this shit is expensive. Nordstrom rack, swipe my gift. Damn, I ain't been broke in a minute. Ayy.